CTM Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So I'm observing Castellum stock, kind of gappy here towards the kind of the last couple of hours or so, even like here in the beginning, but here it opened, so that's fine. But it's still such a bullish chart for me. Like, obviously I'll break down in a second my exact approach, but I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and I've documented everything. And just looking at CTM, generally speaking, the price came back into my demand area here. I mean, approximately just kind of wicked it, and this is still going to be the target, but like as you saw here, I wanted to see a double break in order for me to buy, but I'm definitely still waiting for that double break. You can argue that it's kind of happening here. The first break, it's already happening, and I would definitely agree with that. So all I really want to see is the second break, and then I will be fine to take things up. But unless I see my exact approach, then I would not buy. And it's simple, like it's all about that, man. Like I would not force anything else. So I'll definitely keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.